Nefuka, my girl. Look at that hair. Look at that hair. So we gotta get our snuggles on before we go and work today. Oh, yeah. My sweet girl.